Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to implement slide to animate text in Flutter. Okay, I have created this new Flutter project and I have opened it on VS Code. Now let's open up the lib folder, and inside the lib folder let's create a new file. I'm going to say homepage.dart file, and here let's create stateless widget and let's send the class name to homepage. Okay, let's return here scaffold. Okay, now open up the main.dart file, and here let's remove this stateless widget and let's create new stateless widget here, and let's send the class name to my app. Let's return here MaterialApp. Okay, let's keep the home page we have just created, and you will get this blank white screen. Now let's remove this banner by making here inside the MaterialApp debug show check mode banner to false. Make this property false inside the MaterialApp. Now let's close this main.dart file and open the homepage.dart. Okay, let's send this stateless widget to stateful widget, and keep the body column children. Let's create text widgets inside the children of the column. Let's say slide to animate this text, or zoom you can say. Okay, let's give the size box here and the height of 15. Okay, let's create this slider here. Let's give the value, it's the double. Okay, let's give the value initially 0.0 and make the onSend function blank for now. This gives the new value from the slider. Okay, here is our text and slider here. Okay, let's wrap this column with the padding. Okay, by 25 to all side. Okay, make the main axis alignment center to this column. Okay, perfect. Let's give the style to this text. Give the font size 40. Okay, maybe 25. Okay, perfect. Now open the browser and go to the pub.dev and search for Flutter Animate. Okay, you'll get this package over here. It has like 699k downloads for now. Open this package and click on the installing tab. Copy this command, or you can copy this and add to the dependencies in the pub.spec.yml file. Okay, I'm going to run this command in the project directory in the terminal of the VS Code. Okay, now if you open up the pub.spec.yml file, as you can see, this new package has been added to our Flutter project. Now open the homepage.dart file, and here write with single ticker provider state mixin. Okay, and define the animation controller here. Let animation controller, let's say controller. Okay, inside the initState you can give this controller animation controller, give the vsync this, and give the duration of the animation. I'm going to give milliseconds 500. Okay, this let means you have to initialize after. Okay, now dispose this controller here dot sports. Okay, now we have downloaded or added this package Flutter Animate to our Flutter project. Now you can animate this text right here dot animate. Let's animate this widget, text widget. We can give the controller, that controller we have initialized on top. Okay, and over here let's give the scale. It's going to scale to x and y. Begin from 0.5 and into, let's say, 1.5. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's reload the app, and as you can see, animation is working by using this Flutter Animate package to this text widget. Now we have created this slider widget here. Let's make this value dynamic. So here let's initialize it double, let's say double slider value to 0.0 initially, and give here slider value. Okay, this is going to give the new value. Let's give the slider value, that value, and give the controller animate to give this value that is coming from here. Okay, this is how you can link the slider and this animation to this text by using the same controller. Okay, now let's reload the app. Now let's try to click on this, and as you can see, okay, put this inside the setState. We have to update the UI. Load the app again, and let's try now. Okay, perfect. Okay, make the autoplay auto animation, make it false, so that initially it will not animate. Okay, now let's try. Perfect. Okay guys, this is how you can create the slide to animate text by using this package. Okay, and Flutter Animation Controller. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.